What makes this achievement remarkable is that the builders worked without tools typically associated with monumental construction. They had no metal implements, no wheels or carts, and no draft animals. Every basket of soil was dug by hand using stone, bone, or wooden tools, carried on human backs, and precisely placed according to a comprehensive architectural plan, representing over 14 million person-hours of labor. Archaeological excavations have revealed sophisticated engineering knowledge throughout the structure. The builders created distinct layers of differing soil types, alternating between coarse and fine materials to create a natural drainage system. They incorporated specialized materials like sand and clay in strategic areas to manage moisture and prevent structural failure. Particularly impressive are the filter layers built into the mound, special strata of sand and gravel that allow water to drain through without carrying away structural soil. This technology demonstrates an advanced understanding of hydrology and soil mechanics that preserved the structure through centuries. Without these carefully engineered features, a monument of this size would have collapsed under its own weight and the erosive forces of rainfall. Carbon dating has revealed that Monks Mound represents at least 10 major construction phases spanning several centuries, a multi-generational project requiring exceptional social organization and cultural continuity. The final form featured 4 distinct terraces rising to the summit platform that covers about an acre and a half. This platform once supported a massive wooden building approximately 105 feet long, 48 feet wide, and 50 feet high. Essentially a wooden skyscraper atop an already towering mound. Archaeological evidence suggests this structure served as a temple or residence for Cahokia's paramount chief, combining religious and political significance. The strategic positioning of Monks Mound within the Cahokian landscape demonstrates intentional design. Located at the center of the city's north-south axis, the monument's elevation made it visible from miles away across the floodplain. Anyone approaching would have seen this imposing structure dominating the horizon, a clear statement of power and authority. From the summit, Cahokian leaders could survey their entire domain, their elevated position reinforcing social hierarchies through the built environment. The mound's precise alignment reflects careful planning. Its sides are oriented to the cardinal directions, with its longest axis running almost exactly north-south. This cardinal alignment appears throughout Cahokian architecture, linking the built environment to cosmic principles. The western side forms a perfect north-south line, suggesting it may have served as a monumental gnomon, essentially a giant sundial tracking time and seasons. The construction also demonstrates remarkable resource management. Archaeological evidence shows the Cahokians created burrow pits, large excavations surrounding the city where soil was removed for mound construction. These pits were later repurposed as artificial ponds and wetlands, serving both practical and aesthetic purposes, a sustainable approach where construction material extraction zones became valuable features of the urban landscape. Despite the evidence of engineering brilliance, careful planning, and monumental scale, Monks Mound rarely appears alongside other ancient wonders in popular discussions of human achievement. While structures like the Egyptian pyramids, Roman Colosseum, or Machu Picchu are instantly recognizable global icons, most Americans have never heard of this massive structure in their own country's heartland. This omission isn't due to comparative insignificance. Its volume exceeds that of the Great Pyramid of Khufu, often considered the epitome of ancient engineering. The difference lies in how we've valued achievements of different civilizations. European and Mediterranean monuments have been extensively documented and celebrated, while indigenous American achievements have been systematically marginalized or attributed to mythical lost races rather than recognized as Native American accomplishments. The erasure of Monks Mound from popular historical consciousness stems partly from deliberate efforts by early European colonizers to portray Native Americans as primitive peoples incapable of sophisticated engineering or urban planning. This narrative justified land seizure by suggesting the original inhabitants weren't properly using the land. Later, 19th-century American scholars often attributed mounds to vanished non-indigenous peoples, unable to reconcile racist assumptions with the obvious evidence of advanced civilization. Today, archaeological evidence leaves no doubt that Monks Mound and the surrounding city were built by ancestors of modern Native American peoples. The structure stands as a testament to indigenous engineering prowess and challenges us to reconsider whose history we value and whose achievements we celebrate.